Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a real quick look at a 2023 XLR Nitro 321 toy hauler here. Running a little short on time today, so we're going to do a quick in and out, kind of get you a rough idea, and then we'll come back and maybe visit a more detailed video later on. So first things up, you have your kitchen, living room area here kind of in the middle. So new for 2023, you have different color cabinetry, floor, furniture color, countertops, whole new look for the inside. So you have some overhead cabinets above your TV, JBL stereo here, electric fireplace, pantry area, it's got a little backlighting in it as well. This one was ordered with the gas electric Dometic refrigerator, 12 cubic foot, drawer below it, Furrion oven with drawer below it, Furrion microwave, turbo exhaust fan up top, some nice new pendant lighting. So overall, a whole new look for the interior. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys might think. Do you like the new look versus last year's version? A little bit brighter in here. Theater seat on the slide there. Big windows overlooking the campsite area. Some speakers on the roof. Also have your ducted AC here. Electric box with the breakers and fuses down there. You have central vac with the dustpan vac as well built into the step there. Inverter button, some of your controls for the RV, lights and slides, a lot of things here. Generator start stop button, fuel tank button, water pumps, tank heaters, some different stuff here. Thermostat control, solar charge controller, the turbo exhaust fan control. So you got a few different things here right when you first walk into the RV. You have your little bathroom area here. Whole new look in here as well. One piece fiberglass shower, skylight up above. There's also a little roof fan up here also. Porcelain foot flush toilet. You have heat and AC both in the bathroom. Going up a little further here, we have the master bedroom area here. Windshield overlook in the front. Little closet slide out here. The bed does also raise up, so there is some storage underneath of there. Little drawer space here. Electric outlet on both sides. There's also a little USB charger built into these little lights. But these little lights, you can turn them blue or you can turn them clear. Also have little overhead lights as well. TV hookups on the wall over here if you wanted to mount a TV in here. Second AC up here. And then over there you can see where it is prepped. It has that Winegard Air 360 Plus, which basically can pick up Wi-Fi. You got to buy a little connector box and plug in there and then subscribe to like AT&T or Verizon or somebody. But you could use your antenna system that's built into the RV for Wi-Fi. So that's a nice little feature setup there, the way they built this. Going on back here, you have your garage area. Currently have the beds and the seating area kind of up against the wall there to give you an idea what it looks like. But you could drop it down into seat mode, or you can bring it down into double bunk mode. So you've got a few different ways of arranging this back here. This one was also ordered with the 3-season door feature. You don't have to get that if you don't want, but it's a nice feature to have. However, you do lose about 5 or 6 inches of length on the garage because the way they build in that door there. Looking back here toward the front, there's washer dryer hookups in the middle there. Some controls there. Another cool little feature they started doing, this little camera right here. And that will allow you to see what's going on with your toy in the garage while you're driving down the road. Pretty cool setup. Overhead cabinets. And you have a little half bath back here. So you can kind of use this as a bunk bed model. You know, if you got kids, bring your toys with you. Then the kids have a place back here to sleep. If you're just a couple traveling around, this could become an office area for you, dining area, you know, whatever you want to do with it when you get the kid or get the toys out of here. Door going right on outside as well. So stepping on to the outside here, let's take a quick look here at some of the things out here. So starting off, you got a pretty good size storage compartment area right here. Swing doors, fairly thick, probably about an inch, maybe inch and a quarter thick door. Propane tank behind this door. Step back here so we can see down the side a little bit better. So you have a white fiberglass exterior, lower black metal skirting. Power awning, LED light strip built in, adjustable arms, manual override in the front head. Traditional entry door and screen door, does have a window in it. You have the quad entrance step. It is a traditional hover style step rated for 300 pounds. Large folding entry handle here, and you have some outside TV hookups and outdoor speakers here. The back side also has that traditional quad entrance step. Double axle unit, does have a tire pressure monitoring system as well. Nice feature. And then you can kind of see it has a little more ride suspension upgrade there in between. This was ordered with the auto level jack system as well, so 6-point electric auto level jack system. Also ordered with a second awning on the back side and third awning over the top part. You could flip this down, turn it into patio mode if you wanted to do the patio. Nice feature to have. Ladder on this side to get you up onto the roof, rated for 250 pounds. Docking lights above the garage area and back here on the side. Fuel station area to fuel up your toys. Dump area back here for the half bath. Detachable power cord, roughly 50 amp service. Furnace exhaust out next to there. And then you also have your black tank flush just below the electric cord as well. One of the little side vents to allow for fumes to vent out when you're traveling with gas in the back. If you do the gas electric fridge like this one had, you have these two black panels here for maintenance and venting purposes. Looking down below here real quick, you have your main dump area for your front bath and galley, low point water drains and freshwater tank drain as well. Gas electric water heater right here. The other side of the storage compartment here gets you into your docking station. So your dump handles here, you have bypass setup here, hot and cold outside utility shower, cable satellite connectivity, fresh water, black water, gray water, all that stuff right here. Battery disconnect, jack controls, light switch. Your second 30-pound propane tank right here. And then just above here, we have some very important informational stickers. We're going to pop these up for you real quick. The first one popping up is going to be your main production data sticker. Now, this has the production date, VIN number, axle size, but most importantly on here, gross vehicle weight. That's axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. Next, cargo carrying capacity sticker. Basically telling you how much gear you can load into the RV before you exceed that gross vehicle weight. Next is the unloaded vehicle weight, which is what the RV weighed when it rolled off the factory assembly line, and it also has the length on it. And last but not least, tire sticker here, telling you tire size, but most importantly, cold tire pressure. Make sure you check your tire pressure. You can plug that information into your tire pressure monitoring system. Keep up with it. Very, very important to check that. Up on the front side, you have a really nice fiberglass front cap, some LED lights built in. Again, windshield in the front of this model you've seen when we were in the bedroom area. This has the standard Rhino pen box set up on it. So if you're going to upgrade this aftermarket to a Trail Air or More Ride or something like that, you have to make sure it bolts up to the Rhino box bolt pattern. Down here is, I believe, a battery compartment. Yep. So you have some of the inner workings of the RV down here. You have your battery compartment area here, some of the wiring and stuff for like the tire pressure monitor, signal thing, jack controls, slide controls, all that type of stuff. This was also ordered with the generator. So you have the 5,500 watt NPS generator here. Has a pull start, a keychain remote start, or you also have the push button start. And the generator is actually powered by a Yamaha motor, even though it's not technically a Yamaha generator, it's a Yamaha motor. Little light underneath of there as well. So overall, pretty cool little toy hauler setup here. You can also get these in exterior paint jobs as well, if that interests you. Again, talk with the salespeople about it. They'll be able to go over more details with you. Thanks again, folks, for taking the time to watch my RV videos. Really do appreciate it. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation.